Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fix headphones not working on a Chromebook in ChromeOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the methods. The first place to start will be to check the connection of the headphones. It's highly likely that your device will use one of three connection types. These are the 3.5mm connector, USB Type-A, which is slightly bigger and rectangular, or USB Type-C, which is smaller and slightly rounded. The connection you use will depend on your headphones cable and the ports on your Chromebook. As these can differ on each model, it's difficult to give an answer for everyone, so first identify which your headphone uses, and then look round your device for the ports. Once you've found the correct port, make sure your device is fully inserted into the port, and that the port is not blocked by dust or debris. Test out your headphones now. If you use Bluetooth headphones, forget the device in the Bluetooth settings, and then try pairing them again. Next, it's worth testing out your headphones on another device such as a PC or phone. This will allow us to check if your headphones are physically broken or that the problem is with your Chromebook. If they work on another device or you are unable to test them, we can move on. Next, I'd recommend restarting your Chromebook. You can try this now or at the end of the video. Click on the time in the bottom right and then the power icon to shut it down. Once it has shut down, disconnect every device from your Chromebook. For example, you might use a mouse or an external drive. After restarting, insert your headphones first and test them before connecting any other devices. We'll now check that your headphones are chosen as the default device. To do this, click on the time in the bottom right and look for the volume slider. Next to it, there should be a small arrow. Click on this and then look in the output section for the connected devices. This should be the top section above the input one. One of these devices should be speaker internal if your device has one, and there should be another device that will be called either headphones or the actual name of your headphones. Click on your headphones now to make sure they are set as the default device. Make sure they are unmuted both in ChromeOS and then on the headphones themselves, as some might have a volume adjuster built in. Next, think about any recent changes you have made to your device that could have caused the issue. You could have installed some new software that is affecting your headphones. If you think this might be the cause, you can uninstall this software and try your headphones again. The next method that could help is to check for updates on your Chromebook. This might help if the issue appeared since an update in the past. Open the settings and click on where it says About ChromeOS from the menu on the left. It should be at the bottom of the list. Now click on Check for Updates and install any that appear if you think this might help. You could try a hardware reset on your Chromebook. I'll leave a helpful link to the Google site that shows you how to do this, and I'd recommend checking exactly what it does, just in case this changes in the future. Some files may be deleted, like those in your Downloads folder. You need to hold down the refresh button and tap the power button, and then only release the refresh button once your device has restarted. Unfortunately, those are all of the methods I have. As always, I'll keep the description updated with any new solutions I find, and if any of you find a fix in the future, then it would be great if you could return to the video and post it in the comments to help others. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.